It's time for another episode of Coding in the Car, where we write basic HTML and CSS code while we're in the car, of course not while we're driving. So today I'm just going to set up a basic document with HTML. Every time I type HTML, I have to type everything in a certain sequence, and I have to put things between these special tags called carets. And the first tag that I'm going to write is my doc type, because this is an HTML document. I'm just going to write doc type HTML with a closing caret, and this is the one tag in the page which doesn't have a corresponding end tag. So I'm just going to return down to the next line. You'll notice that as I'm working in Dreamweaver and as I type a new line, it adds a new number into the code window. I've got my design window open so that eventually I can see all the different elements of my page as I put things in. Right now there's nothing in there because I have nothing to show. So my next tag is going to be my HTML tag, because this is an HTML page. The HTML tag does have to have a corresponding end tag. I'm going to return down to 2-line space so that I'm on line 4, and usually as soon as I type that first caret and the slash, it's going to automatically finish the tag. So the next tag, I'm going to go back up to line 2, hit return, type another caret, and type the first tag that I'm going to put in, which is my head tag. I can put a variety of different things inside the head tag. I'm going to make the corresponding end tag for that first before I do anything else. One of the things I'm going to put in there is something called meta tag for basic character information, UTF-8. And because we're in a parking lot, we have planes flying overhead. If you hear any noise, I'm going to hit return and type my next tag in here, which is going to be my title tag. And I'm going to title this Lauren's, that should be a lowercase a, page. If I hit that slash after I type that second caret, it automatically gives me an end tag. So this is something that's going to fall between the head tags. User usually doesn't see what falls between the head tags, but at the top of the browser window, when the user opens up this page, sort of up here, and I'll show you in a second, it'll say Lauren's page on it, depending on what browser we're using to view it. So now, after the head tag, I'm going to hit return, and I have to type things that are going to appear in the body of the page. So first I'm going to put in my body tags, skip down 2 lines, put in end body, and everything that falls between the body tags is going to be visible to the user. So here is where I would put the bulk of my information, any text that I put into my page, any images, links, you could fill it with pretty much whatever you want. And I don't have to put any other tags on this other than if I'm going to organize things, paragraph tags, but what I can do first is type something that my users will see. So to get that to appear, I would just click in the browser window. So anything that I put in between the body tags is going to appear in the browser window. And those are some basic HTML tags.